Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a chocolate Oreo shake. Start by measuring 1 cup milk, 2 scoops vanilla ice cream, 3 tablespoons chocolate syrup, and 6 Oreos. Add ice if you like a thicker texture. Pulse the blender in short bursts until fully smooth and no large crumbs remain. Taste and adjust chocolate or milk for preferred sweetness and thickness before serving. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results. 1 cup milk, 2 scoops ice cream, 3 tablespoons chocolate syrup, and 6 Oreos. Cold ingredients blend more smoothly, so chill milk and glass if possible. Crushed Oreos can be added during or after blending for texture control. If you prefer sweeter shakes, add a teaspoon of sugar or drizzle more syrup before serving. Garnish with whipped cream and cookie crumbs for an indulgent finish. In this video, I will show how to make a chocolate Oreo shake. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while your shake chills, with a glare-free screen and long battery that keeps you flipping pages between sips. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pulse rather than blend continuously to achieve a thick, creamy texture and avoid warming the shake. Start with a few quick pulses, then increase speed until uniform and smooth. If the shake is too thick, add a splash of milk. If too thin, add ice or more ice cream. Always use caution when blending hot liquids and hold the lid firmly to prevent spills while mixing for a neat, delicious result.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.